Hey everyone, welcome back to Legally TT. So yesterday I showed you guys this wig. No, it is not tacked down, it's just on my head. And I told you guys I would show you it fully installed. So I figured I would do a quick video to show you how a novice installs a lace front wig. I typically have closure wigs, so I can just put them on and take them off when I feel like it, because I don't sleep in my wigs. I like to just take them off, be comfortable. They also last longer when you don't have to sleep in them, work out in them, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and let's hope this works, being as though I am on camera. Let's hope it looks good. If not, I'm still gonna be cute, so it's okay. So just come along with me while we try and tack this wig down. I do not use glue. I have very sensitive skin. That's another reason I don't keep my wigs on overnight, because I don't want that in the hairspray or the glue or gel on my skin for long periods of time outside of, you know, just the day. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have my cap. I use a dark brown cap. And we're just gonna make sure this is pulled down. I've already cut my ear tabs and all that good stuff. So we just need to place it where it's supposed to go, which I think there is fine. I can pull it a little more forward. So it's not, I want it right in front of my cap. And then we're just gonna flip it backwards. So it's, see, I told you I'm a novice. So we're just gonna flip it backwards so that I can get, so right here, it ain't cooperating today. So, and it's gonna pull my cap off. Okay, so I don't like having my hair out and putting hairspray on my edges. I have never done a bald cap. Let's make sure our hair dryer is working. We'll use Gots to Be today. No, I didn't clean off my hairline. I'm not really worried about it lasting long because it's later in the day. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just doing this for you guys. Gonna take some pictures. Oops, see, we got, I'll just use this spare because I got these caps and they were too light, so I'm not too worried about it. So we're just gonna put the heat to that. I use low heat, so I just want it to be a little tacky. Running down my face, of course. It's okay, I can clean that up. I don't wear makeup. I don't wear makeup, so I don't have to worry about it, you know, messing up my makeup. And I'm gonna put another spray. Sometimes I just use my Gorilla Snot as well. It's a little easier for me to manipulate as a novice. Just going to use the comb. Lay that right in there. Use my comb to really hopefully get it laid down and stuck. If not, I will use my Gorilla Snot. It's just easier for me. Like I said, I don't typically lay down my wigs, tack down my wigs. So it's a lot of work for me to do. And as I told y'all yesterday, this wig fits really big. So it's gonna be a little more difficult. Clip this back out of the way. Maybe my stuff needs to be a little more tacky. Like I said, It's just not laying down. So it is definitely, there we go. There it is. It's starting to get tacky. Should let it get tacky a little longer. We're gonna lay down the middle, or we're gonna attempt to lay down the middle. I'm gonna pull it taut and use my comb to lay this down. Ooh, yeah, it's sticky now. My finger just stuck to it. Like I said, I'm a novice. I normally don't tack my wigs down. So, and I'm not used to them being a little too big either. I'm used to them, you know, fitting perfect because I make them to custom fit my head. Okay, enough sticky over here. Do we? Let's see. Oh, we don't. And it doesn't help that I'm hot and a little sweaty. And I use the back of my comb to just press it in best I can. This side I'm not too worried about because the hair will cover this side. This is the side that I, see, look, it's just up, doing what it wants. What I'll do is grab my blow dryer. Okay. Nope. What I'll do is I'll grab my wrap. I am working on coming up with my own melt belt. Something that is not going to stick to your adhesive. It's still going to have some stretch. And all that good stuff. Luckily this is, when I have my longer wigs and I'm trying to put them on and the hair get all in the way, it's a struggle. So let's just tie this down. So guys, literally as I went to go to the next step, my camera died. Luckily we had a charged battery on deck, so it was no big deal. Right now I'm letting my flat iron heat up before I kind of tackle this part, because I want to lay that down some. So I'm just letting this dry by itself. You can use the hair dryers to dry it as well. I just don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Hopefully it sticks. If not, we just gonna use our Gorilla Snot. This sticks amazing. And that's what I typically will use if I want it to really stick, not go anywhere. Let's do some defining in this part. Just lay everything down some. I have been using a hot comb since I was young. So hot combing does not scare me. I haven't burnt myself lately. So I'm usually pretty good. Usually pretty okay. You can just use the back if it's easier for you. See? Nice flat. Let's turn that off and get that out the way. And I need the mirror. So I'm gonna stand up so I can get a. I use, like I said, I don't wear makeup, so I picked this up hoping it would work. It typically does just for my part, so I'll put a little bit somewhere. Take my little brush, actually I need less than that, and put it down in the part. Bear with me, I know you guys can't see, but I can't see if I don't use my mirror, if I don't stand up. I'm not super neat with this, but I can kind of diffuse it out with the end of the brush. This doesn't look too bad, but it gives it definitely a more natural look. So hey guys, I don't know what's going on with all my equipment today. I was filming on my camera and then it said my memory card was full. Such is life, so we finished it off on the phone. So the only thing you guys missed is, yes, I did put some makeup in my part. We were still struggling with this lace just a little bit. I took my little brush and I put some Gorilla Snot on it and, you know, got the lace to lay down. So I don't think it's half bad. You know, some people may be like, I see your lace, or it's just not that great. Let me know how you feel in the comments. This side actually looks better than the other side, as you can see. Pretty decent melt. I gotta get my melt belt together. Making my own melt belt. This side is fine. The hair's down over it. But overall, we got the wig on. It is not a long-term on by no means. I can grab my wax stick and get these flyaways, but it is on. That is the struggle of a novice putting on a lace front. It is a lot of work. It's not easy. I get it done. I get it looking, I think it's cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If I put it on good, if I didn't, you can give me some tips. All that, I'll take it all. Also, I put my own lashes on. I told you guys I don't really wear makeup. No lashes, lip gloss is as far as you get with me. Maybe mascara every blue moon. Other than that, I don't really do much else. I'm just a natural girl. So I am trying out some lashes to carry in my store, delmarvasacredtresses.com. And I really like these. This is my second time putting on my lashes. I think I did a pretty decent job. What y'all think? Now I'm also testing out how I put these what I put these lashes on with. So that will be to come. I'm gonna keep that as a secret in my pocket. You see that lace sparkling? No, it's not sparkling. So check out, you know, some of my pictures I'm about to take because I'm feeling myself. I feel like I look real cute right now. On Legally TT or at Delmarva Sacred Tresses. And let me know what you feel and how you like this wig. It's a 10-inch bob, 13 by 6-inch lace frontal pre-made wig. I think I might have to make my own just so it fits perfect. And I may just make it a closure wig because all you see is about this here. So like a 6x6 clock to the side, I'm good to go. Like I don't really have to deal with all the tacking it down. Like, yeah, I like that they come off. But make sure you like and subscribe and definitely hit that notification bell so you know when the next one's coming. And see you in my next one. Love you guys.